Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Clear Voice English. Today, we are going on a field trip to learn English in a really fun and practical place, a giant supermarket here in Vietnam. Ready? Let's grab a shopping cart and go. First things first, this is a shopping cart, or you can also call it a trolley. See these wheels? They help it move smoothly. And trust me, in a store this big, you'll be glad you have one. This place is huge, with so many aisles. An aisle is one of these long rows of shelves. If you have kids, you have to keep a close eye on them, or they might get lost. Let's start with personal hygiene. Here we have deodorant, which you use to keep fresh. Next to it is shaving cream for a smooth shave, and lots of different kinds of shampoo for your hair. And of course, face cream to keep your skin moisturized. Everything you need to start your day. Now, let's head down the household cleaning aisle. This is glass cleaner, perfect for making your windows and mirrors sparkle. And over here, insecticides. These are used to get rid of insects like ants or cockroaches, which can be a common issue. Oh, I smell snacks. This is one of my favorite aisles. Look at all these potato chips. In some places, they call them crisps. We also have biscuits, which Americans would call cookies, and a huge selection of chocolate. What's your go-to snack? Let me know in the comments. Moving on, we're in the spices and condiments section. Here's jam, which is delicious on toast. And right next to it, peanut butter. A classic combination in the U.S. is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Over here, we have breakfast cereals and oatmeal, great for a quick and easy morning meal. Down this aisle, we have all the drinks. You can buy bottled water in various sizes, from small bottles to large ones for the whole family. And here are the soft drinks, like colas and sodas, which come in either cans or bottles. What's that smell? Ah, we found the durian. This fruit is famous in Southeast Asia. People either love it or hate it. The smell is so strong that it's actually banned in many hotels. Have you ever tried it? Let's check out the bakery. They have fresh bread, like white bread and healthier whole wheat bread. Ooh. And these long ones are called baguettes. They also have delicious-looking pastries. Now for the frozen food section. It's chilly in here. They have an amazing variety of seafood. Look, frozen scallops, octopus, and shrimp. They even have salmon and other shellfish. This is great for when you want seafood but don't live near the coast. Finally, let's look at the dairy section. There are so many types of cheese. We've got sliced cheese for sandwiches, Parmesan to sprinkle on pasta, and cream cheese for bagels. And here are the eggs, sold in plastic or paper cartons. Wow, what a trip! We've seen everything from deodorant to durian. Shopping at a grocery store is an amazing way to practice your everyday English vocabulary. I hope you found this tour helpful and learned some new words. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more English with me, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel Clear Voice English. See you in the next video.